Every girl loves to make a great impression, especially if it's a date. So if you're in a fix or going through a last-minute wardrobe panic, stay tuned because I'm about to share 4 charming and stunning looks which will be perfect for your romantic date night. Want to dress to impress, but are you barely getting yourself out of bed? With a smart styling, you can look elegant and put together without much hassle. For this look, you can actually reach out for whatever top you feel comfortable in. I've reached out for my mesh shirt with puffed sleeves. And you can actually even go in for a turtleneck if the weather is cold. The actual hero of this look is the midi skirt, because it can take you from a casual stroll in the mall to drinks and dinner in no time. Now what's important is the length. Always opt for the one that hits your mid-shin where your leg starts to thin out. This will keep you comfortable and give you legs for days. Overall, I feel elegant and classy and extremely comfortable. I'm pretty sure we all have long straight cut kurtas hidden in our cupboards, which we love to wear on casual occasions. The best thing about it is that you can dress it up in completely different ways. I've chosen to pair it up with a printed jacket while the dress is lightweight and casual. The long printed jacket acts as an eye-catching layer. Since the jacket is fitted, it flatters almost any body type and makes you look put together. I've chosen to go with minimal jewelry so the outfit can stand out and make heads turn no matter where I go. First dates can be tricky because you want to play it safe and still look unique. For that, all you have to do is reach out for your wardrobe staples. I've taken my white t-shirt and teamed it up with a fitted high-waist skirt. While the t-shirt is comfortable and basic, the skirt makes the outfit stylish and highlights my waistline. Now, to make this outfit more exciting, I've added a long and comfy denim jacket which makes my torso look sleek, narrower and elongated. Pair it with sneakers or your favorite pair of flats and you're good to go. I've also added a sling bag to complement this easy outfit. Going for a date can be extremely stressful, especially if you're heading out straight after work. But this look can definitely make you look effortless. Trousers are the best way to bring an illusion of slimmer and longer legs. I've paired this with a formal shirt, and after work you can go ahead and fold the sleeves as this looks extremely fashionable and brings a more laid-back and casual vibe. What I love about my shirt is the bow detailing, since it brings a cute and romantic vibe as well. Finally, to add a fun and more dressy element, I've added a colorful scarf as a belt, which helps me define my waistline. All in all, you can very successfully take your AM outfit to PM in absolutely no time. However you choose to dress up, make sure to be yourself and let your personality shine through. Please let me know what some of your go-to outfits are and if you'll be giving a try to any of my recommended outfits for your special night. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.